Hi friends, in this video I am showing you how to generate a random number. How to generate a random number in Python. First of all, we have to import the random module, import random, and there is a random function inside random module, that is random dot random function, and we assign this random variable, that is a number between 0 and 1, a floating number which is in between 0 and 1, and we assign a value a equals random dot random. Then print a. By running this code, we get a random variable. This is the random variable generated by this random module and random function. Thanks for watching this video.